learners, and welcome to this lesson on percentages. Now, what we mean by percentages is we want to use common fractions and we want to look at it in terms of percentages. So I'll show you using an example. So the main example we're focusing on in this lesson is 60% of 105 Rand. But before we can do that, we want to see how do we convert 22% to a fraction. All we do is we know any percent is over 100. So we take 22 over 100. And we've already converted that to a fraction. But this fraction can be simplified, right? Because it can be divided by 2, divided by 2. And then that is equal to 11. 22 divided by 2 is 11 over 50. And that's the simplest fraction 22% can be shown over. Now that we know that, let's do the example. 60% of 105 Rand. So I'll take 60 over 100 times 105 over 1. I have to make both a fraction, right? So the easiest way to make both a fraction is to just take the number over 1. Now I can simplify. I can cancel the zeros, and then 6 can be divided by 2, so that gives me 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's going to give me 3 over 5 times 105 over 1. So this is equal to 3 times 105 over 5 times 1. 3 times 105, you can do it by using long multiplication. Okay, so do multiplication here. But you should get 315 over 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Right? You can do your division. When you do your division, you get 63. But that's not the question, right? They're asking what is the percent. So you'll say 60% of 105 Rand is equal to 63 Rand. Right? That's the answer that we get. How do you do long division here or short division? Any division. You'll say 5 dividing 315. Can 5 go into 3? No. So you put a dot. 5, then you go 31. 31 divided by 5, you can minus 30, which gives me 6. I'm left with 0 and 1. I bring down the 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, minus 15, and I get 0, 0, 0. And now I know that my answer is 63. Right? That's how we get the division. For the multiplication, you can have 105 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. You put the 5, you carry the 1. 0 times 3 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And that's how we get 315. Right? That's just a by the way multiplication and division. So go ahead and complete your book on percentages. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at percentage increase and percentage decrease. So good luck with your workbook. I will see you in the next lesson.